Hello, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we're going to study maximum power transfer theorem. First, let us see some features of maximum power transfer theorem. This theorem is applicable for linear networks only. And what are the linear networks? The networks containing resistor, inductor, capacitor, and linear dependent sources as its elements are all linear network. They should only contain these four types of elements. The presence of dependent sources makes the network active, so therefore maximum power transfer theorem is applicable for both active and passive networks. So the network should be linear and it can be active or passive. In those circumstances, the maximum power transfer theorem is applicable. The next important point is that maximum power transfer theorem is applicable only when the load impedance is a variable quantity. If load impedance is fixed, suppose if load impedance is not a variable quantity, it is a fixed quantity, then to transfer maximum power to the load, we have to minimize the total internal impedance of the circuit. So we have to choose the circuit such that the total internal impedance is minimum. So in this case, the maximum current will flow through the load and the load will absorb maximum power. Next, the highest possible efficiency which we can achieve in the maximum power transfer theorem is 50% only. So this theorem is not applicable for power circuits. It is applicable only in electronic circuits to transfer the signal, where the efficiency is not a criteria. So before developing the conditions for maximum power transfer, we have to Thevinize the circuit across the load impedance. Suppose if it is a AC circuit where your load impedance is variable, you have to see the circuit across the terminals A, B. It will become what? The Thevenin's. So in this way, you have to Thevinize the circuit across the load terminals. Then we can derive the condition for maximum power transfer theorem. And this is your RS. And this is your VThevenin's. You can call this RS or RTH. This one is ZTH or ZS. So the point is we have to Thevinize the circuit across the variable load resistance before developing conditions for maximum power transfer. So let us take the first case where we have a DC circuit with some source resistance RS and where the load resistor is a variable quantity. Here the current flowing through the circuit is given by Vs divided by Rs plus RL, simple straightforward, and power absorbed by the load is given by I square into RL, where current flowing is what? I. Current flowing through the load is I, which is given by Vs by Rs plus RL. So power absorbed by the load is I square into RL, which is this equation. Let us call it 1. So the condition for maximum power transfer is that if you differentiate with the variable RL, it should be first derivative should be equal to 0. This is the condition for maxima. If you do this, then condition for maximum power transfer obtained is that your RL should be equal to. So it is a question, is asking you to find out the value of R which is required for maximum power transfer to the load. Now you can see this is a tricky question. In this case, the load impedance is not a variable quantity, it is a fixed quantity. So here the trick is we have to minimize the impedance. The internal impedance of the circuit is this parallel. So for which value of R the overall impedance will be minimum. Suppose if you look at our four options, if R value is equals to 0, that means it is a short circuit path, then overall impedance of this overall internal impedance will become how much? 0 in parallel with 6 plus divided by 6, which is 0 ohm. So for R value equal to 0, the overall internal impedance of the circuit becomes minimum, that is 0, then in this case the maximum current, how much current will flow? 10 divided by 3 ampere will flow through the load resistor of 3 ohm, and it will dissipate, or it will transfer maximum power to the load. So the condition is, if the load impedance is fixed, to transfer power to the fixed load, we have to minimize the internal impedance. Thank you.